Watch your kids' candy? Looks like sweet tarts. Halloween's coming, and you might be seeing social media posts like these about the dangers of brightly colored pills, sometimes called rainbow fentanyl. But are drug dealers really targeting kids on Halloween? If something seems really scary, it might not be entirely true. In fact, it seems like it's every year that kids are warned about razor blades in apples, needles in chocolate, or poisoned pixie sticks. But should we really be scared? Let's take a look at the bigger picture and figure this out together. I did a Google keyword search and found this article, which quotes university professor Joel Best, probably the nation's top expert on Halloween candy incidents. His data dates back to 1958, and what he says might surprise you. I cannot find a single case of a child killed or seriously injured by a contaminated treat picked up in the course of trick-or-treating. There's one exception. Father in 1974 laced his children's candy with cyanide, killing one in an effort to collect life insurance. Dark. He was arrested. But, as Best said, that's not what people are worried about when they ask whether it's safe to go trick-or-treating. So back to this year's scare, rainbow fentanyl. This story originated with an August press release from the DEA. The headline said, DEA warns of brightly colored fentanyl used to target young Americans, which freaked out a lot of parents. But a more recent DEA statement clarifies the original warning, saying that while fentanyl is an extremely dangerous drug, the DEA does not believe children are at risk of being given fentanyl when they go trick-or-treating this year. The lesson here, don't let viral rumors trick you into being scared this Halloween.